Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So we have some shocking news about Spider-Man 3 production. It is going to start really soon. And also we have some major news about She-Hulk TV series, the appearance of Banner in the show, and also official synopsis of the show. We are gonna break it all down. Before going into the details, if you haven't subscribed to my channel and you are a Marvel fan, do consider subscribing to my channel because that's what we mostly talk about here. So the production of WandaVision, Falcon and the Winter Soldier and Eternals was in process when all the virus news came in and all of the production was stopped. WandaVision show and Falcon and the Winter Soldier show, both shows were really close to complete. Only the finale was left for Falcon and the Winter Soldier, and for WandaVision show some reshoots were left. And about Eternals movie was in its mid-production. It was neither complete nor close to complete, but there were definitely some rumors about first teaser trailer of the movie was ready and Marvel was gonna release it this July, but Marvel stopped because the movie is delayed to 2021 and Marvel don't have to rush that much anymore. And then there were some recent rumors and a common understanding that the shooting will resume in approximately September. And in one of my videos I said that there's a still chance for Falcon and the Winter Soldier show to release on its original date. The original release date is in August and they will be releasing episodes weekly. That means streaming of the series will probably end in October and they have a whole month in between of September to complete finale. Now we have some news that Disney will not be doing that. They are resuming all of the shootings in July. This is coming from Film and Television Industry Alliance website. They posted two new things about Marvel today. One of them is about Spider-Man 3 and one is about She-Hulk TV series. As you can see, it is written untitled Spider-Man Homecoming 3 feature film. It is in development/pre-production and this post was last updated on 13 April 2020. As you can see, the shoot date is July 13, 2020 to October 30. Locations of the shoot are Atlanta, New York, Los Angeles and Iceland. These locations were already confirmed a couple of months ago. So there you have it. Shooting of the movie will be resuming in July 13, 2020. Now let's talk about She-Hulk TV series. We have official synopsis attached to the release date of the show. Project summary/synopsis reads as such. Following an injury, Jennifer Walters receives an emergency blood transfusion from her cousin Bruce Banner and acquires a milder version of his Hulk condition. As such, Walters becomes a large, powerful, green-hued version of herself while still largely retaining her personality. In particular, she retains her intelligence and emotional control, although like Hulk, she still becomes stronger if enraged. So this synopsis perfectly matches with comics and what we already know about the show. This is a big confirmation that her origin in the show will be perfectly matching with comics. In short, she will be combination of Professor Hulk from Avengers Endgame and Thor Ragnarok's Hulk. She will retain her intelligence and her personality but will act like Hulk from Thor Ragnarok. Most of the fans didn't like how Marvel treated Hulk in Avengers Endgame. He had his intelligence but he lost all of his power and his rage. He didn't even completed his story arc that was started in Avengers Infinity War. He was supposed to defeat Thanos in the end of Avengers Endgame before Thanos died. He deserved that ending but unfortunately Russos didn't give him. So that's it for today. Hopefully you liked the video. Do tell me in comment section your views about all this. See you in my next video. Till then, be happy.